So in today's video, I will be collaborating with Megalook. Right here, I'm just showing you all what came in the box, what they sent me, just a couple of goodies. And right here, I am cleaning off my hairline because I will be pulling out my actual edges to create some type of baby hairs. Also, before I get to rambling, I just want to let y'all know that this is a 18-inch water wave wig, and listen, this wig is fire. So just stay tuned because y'all gonna see how fire this wig is and these curls. So to slick my edges down, I will be using the Extreme Wetline gel because water-based gels are the only thing I can use on my real hair because they hold, unlike edge control. I can't stand using edge control. In my opinion, I feel like it's best to style your baby hairs before you add your headband wig. I don't know, it's just easier for me, at least. So just like if you were to get a frontal wig, this headband wig also comes with combs. So let's see how I just rolled it there for you so you all can see. So yeah, it just comes with combs, but it doesn't come with adjustable straps because you have a headband wig, you know. You have that to secure with. But this thing was quite interesting to me because I've never had one of these before. This is my first headband wig, and as you can see, well, I don't know, I was kind of struggling trying to put the combs in. I normally never ever use combs like with a frontal wig, but yeah, this was a little bit of a struggle for me. But I think it's because I had the cap on. I couldn't really push the combs through, but it still worked out. I really do like this wig. Like, this is my first one. Like, I really do like it. I really did enjoy it. Now this right here, y'all, this is what I mean when I say I want a water wave hair texture. I forgot to mention this is water wave, and this is how every other hair company better come when it comes to water wave. This is so pretty. Like, oh my goodness, when I seen it out the box, like, oh, this is straight out the box. Like, these curls are beautiful. Oh my goodness, I love it.